What's going on, y'all? We just pulled up to the yard. We're gonna go ahead and get this 6.0 motor pulled out of this parts truck. Stay tuned, y'all. You'll see if we do it. This is where we're at with pulling this 6.0. We got the complete front clip off. We really just need to unbolt the transmission from the cross member down there, and then we gotta disconnect, or we're probably just gonna cut off this exhaust. And then yeah, we'll pull the engine hoist up here. We'll get some bolts lifted up, but that should be it, and then we should have this motor pulled today. So you guys take a look down here. We got the cross member out, drive shaft's disconnected back here. We got it jacked up from the transfer case. We're gonna go ahead and pull the engine hoist up over here. Other than that, we're just gonna cut the exhaust manifold, and then yeah, we should rip this thing out. I forgot about the power. Oh yeah. I forgot about the power steering, y'all. Totally my bad, but engine is pretty much out. Transmission and transfer case. Yeah, man. Mission complete.
How long is this going to take?
We are completely out, y'all. We are completely out. And we just completely stripped this parts truck to pieces. Got the motor, transfer case. We're about to get the firewall cut. We got the cross members cut. We're going crazy. Scraps on the way. We're donating this to the homeless shelter, and we're gonna be done with it. We're ending everything we had with this truck. Gone, goodbye. It's time to put some motherfucking work in. Parts truck, say goodbye. We gonna take it for one hell of a night. So yeah, like I was telling y'all, we're actually getting this parts truck gone today. We got some final stuff going. Gotta cut this firewall out. Holy shit, that was a fucking beetle. Look at this fucking beetle, y'all. Holy, you guys see this guy? We're knocking out this firewall, cutting this side out. You guys can see here, we actually started this cut right here, so we're gonna get that all the way down. Oh my gosh, that took forever, y'all. That's crazy how long it took, but we're all good on this parts truck. That was the very last step before we send this off. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Stay notified when I post every time by hitting that notification button. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.